also collected here. And I'm doing something a little different. And this is my new setup, so yeah. I'm going to be taking apart a $1 Rubik's Cube. I bought this a while ago. And yeah, so the mirror behind me, in front of me, so I'll try to take apart a $1 cube. Ouch. Okay, there, took it apart. Alright, take it apart. I'm gonna take the whole thing apart because it'll take a while to put it all back. Boom. Okay, so here's all the pieces. And yeah. So where's this piece go? Oh yeah, okay. So if you don't know how to, if you have a Rubik's Cube, if you don't know how to repair one, well just look on YouTube then. And this might be a good video for you. And I'm not a very good teacher of products. So yeah. Put this on. I'm just gonna put this top on real quick. As fast as I can, cause okay. Alright. Okay. Almost done. Where does this go? Okay, almost done. Get in. Okay. There we go. Oh no. I'll fix that later. Alright. Okay, this is becoming a fail, kind of. Okay, hold on. I got this. Oh no. Yes, I got this. Okay. Whatever. Well, taking apart a $1 Rubik's Cube fail. Kind of. Yeah. Not kind of. It's fail. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this fail video. If you guys liked it, and subscribe. And peace.